First, open the Microsoft Store and search for Microsoft PC Manager. Click Get to download and install it. Once installed, click Open. Before getting started, uncheck both this option. This will stop the software from changing your personal Windows settings. Then click Get Started. This is the main dashboard. Let's go through the tools one by one. Click Boost to instantly improve performance. This will clear the temporary memory and frees up RAM. To make this automatic, click Set Smart Boost and turn it on. It'll auto-clear junk when RAM usage is high or if there's more than 1 GB of temp files. Click Health Check to scan your system. Now you'll get some suggestions. Review them, and then click Proceed. Once done, click Done. Click Deep Cleanup to find and remove junk files. After the scan, check the files you want to delete and click Proceed. If some files don't delete, it's likely because a program is running. For best results, run this tool after restarting your PC. To end any running process, click Process. Now, select any app you want to stop and click End. Use this if something is slowing down your system. Click Startup, then toggle apps on or off depending on whether you want them to start with Windows. Click Protection to access features like Virus Scan, runs a quick scan for threats. Windows Update, to make sure your PC is up to date. Default Browser, to change your default web browser. Taskbar Repair, to reset your taskbar to default settings. Restore Default Apps, to set default apps for opening files. Pop-up Management, to block annoying in-app pop-ups. Network Check, to scan and troubleshoot your internet connection. Next, click on Storage to manage storage. Deep Cleanup, to clean your system, which we have already seen earlier in the video. Downloaded Files, to see and manage your downloaded content. Large Files, to scan for big files on your drive. To use this tool, first select a drive. Now click on Large Files, which scans the drive to find the large files. When you hover over a file, you'll see 3 options. One to open the folder containing the file, another to move it to a different folder, and the third to delete it. If you want to move or delete multiple files, check all the files that you want. Now click on Move or Permanently Delete. Duplicate Files, to scan for duplicate files and remove them. First, choose the disk where you want to search for duplicate files. Then click on Duplicate Files. The tool will start scanning for duplicates. Once the scan is complete, you can use the Smart Select feature to automatically pick one copy from each set. Now you can either move or permanently delete the file. Alternatively, you can manually review each file and then move or delete the file. Storage Sense. Using this, you can allow Windows to automatically clear temporary files. Next, let's go to Apps. Here you can find tools like Process Management and Startup Apps, which we have already covered earlier in the video. Deep Uninstall. This tool removes the software without leftover files or registries. Microsoft Store, a quick link to browse and install apps. Under Tools, you'll find shortcuts to helpful Windows apps like Snipping Tool, Notepad, Calculator, Image Search, Weather, Currency Converter, and more. And that's a full walkthrough of Microsoft PC Manager. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.